Ghana de shima na no pemi mamu nyina chiba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Jumadi efene Ghana today e bre no aso say ye de obokrata wodo abadwa so ensem o edi ahimedi ade nchiche wo Ghana ye de bre wo. It is a wodo fidie na to ha ye Sompa 106.5 FM. Ana Sompa Accra. Ye wo Dome Watermelon Street. Ye Ben Rising Sun School no. Obetimi ni akonakra na wo ho. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. At the Ghana today ban on Sompa mu pepe Ghana speaks. And no odi wadwen kire no ebeba. Ye wi ana Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo Duatna se na wo day. Sompa Rhapsody djumedie na ba beto so. Enu ni Abakosua Aboagye betena se ne ato so kama de amount. Second service djumedie ne beba so no ndu apemu. Onyame se premo beto premo to a na ye de Sompa kase bo a e hwam mu ode na ye de abrew. We are 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. near the Sompa Delight with Abuna Ruthie one in the team no. Now one did the best social entertainment afternoon show na ye de abrew on Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Omuye ya na Kobla Bochi aka Prof. Now what the forgotten country Jumedie no aba. No ma be pensen Finance Minister Dr. Kesla to Forsen Nensama wo de tu dwa no ho. Owi ana fe ye the hot bite news no 5:30 na no ye tena se de aba. Ye wie ye na Prophet Mango Day 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. na wono so the man of the spirit or the third service aba. Third service ewie ye na Cedar hour so etwa so. Cedar hour we are dubaako ekosi ahomache ba donko no. Nesa 11 p.m. to 1 p.m. near the Sompa last service aba. Eti ahyehyɛ dwumadi ahodo a ebeboa mentally, spiritually, emotionally, intellectually on every side. Yedim dia na abrewo. Wo pe station na wutia wo be free enimonyam akọ enimonyam a na eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Right your Facebook page no na ne yenko na kra na fe se ho so ye wo live. Ye live wo ho pa. We say live and colored. Our Facebook page, you know, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Your Facebook page, you know, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. YouTube, you know, Sompa FM Live. Your TikTok page, you know, Sompa Accra 106.5. Sompa Accra 106.5. That woko your TikTok page, you know, our programs are your news headlines. Your teacher a short piece. Wako heni nyina wo ho. Obese wo heni nyina dia no akọ YouTube. Anaso betimi aba Facebook aba she. Eji uko your TikTok page na Sompa Accra. Wo de wonya bo Sompa Accra be yi no aba. Sompa Accra 106.5. Anopa yem fancy dama endpoint homeopathy clinic. Dr. Dubotin Church wanopa se bra. E ho ye endpoint ema stroke. E ye endpoint ma o yare no wabedi die. E ye endpoint ema yare bia. Bra ne be scan, bra ne show ni peduam. Haja special local food aduane papa fie die aduane pa no nya kwatenten. Kasa natural mineral water so e ka ho. Na ebo ye chidom ama ye de Ghana today djumedi no babadwa fortna se. Free me ko studio bi na me nkomo makwa aba me wo Abakay Adwoa bedua de pakofi wa ha ena Adwoa Asare na nkasa abedwafo me mamu nyina akwa aba o ya ena na bibia bokode Oboagye na adom ene ahweyi ai Oboagye adom ai se Oboagye no ye ne de a na wo anya wo de a ebe ha adwene eti ye partnership divinity plus humanity divinity ye ne de na humanity ye ne de eti ese wo no responsibility wo be hu de ye nyame dia no watwon ho go nyame dia no ye dai untimi nye times and seasons ekuta no untimi nkasa na mempese wi abebo he ah to be be na wa anaze ensu to awusi obu afu ensu ne de beto Ghana your responsibility say be make way for the road for the waters one me kwan amansuo no a wanye wafam de ensuo no wonfa ho wo be yira fawo o yira fawo say e na ewrade e no amansuo ato waye ne de asase ne hia nsuo na atimi adua na emom no wo wakosi dan asi ba bia ensuo ne sese fa wo so ntimi ne nsuo nko eti nyame ye ne de a na ye nso ya ye de eti obi eka se usuade like God does not exist na wo enter exam room no a yet said the wunsu ahwe nya nyame so take over Eti wo responsibility nse obesua na wo examination ho na okakai fo no akaka se wansua won kaka wo de obekaka wo telenovela na wo hwe enu na wonim eti ye de nyame asese wo de enenso ache na wotwe nso ye chance wo de afamu ama besi efiada woni ye adini mi wo daily graphic do bokrata no ha yenim se nura ena 2026 media budget review no Dr. Keselato Folson edikotu dwanti wo she do bokrata dodo no a eno na ewo mu memede ne da ha minority skeptical about economic gains aban o mse aban bedwa nanum na se bodi de buni mu a no we wo opposition ya aban ne kasa na aban ne nyan kasa kwado mo prepare mo message
dada aso mo nim de beka
sa eti omo me no nyina de omo de oye omo ho ano obi abekasa wiye ya na omo atudi ayi budget we no kofu budget obi say ayi kwashoko budget any adenti omo ba no omo plan dada they said the obeka na kra de mata eti no na da bia NDC ne MPP omo de omo ho ewo parliament have year performance best in years revenue on track spending down zero arrears interest drops we finance minister Dr. Keselato Folson meme wo ha economy on sound recovery path minister no government deposit 1.7 billion US dollars for Accra Kumasi expressway funds protected until main contracts awarded and also so eda hasi nti adwa wo de na eda woni man opay.
Okay, the Ghanaian Times.
I want to kakra mami.
The Ghanaian Times by Daily Post and so on the Chronicle the Obokrata.
Okay. And Abakay.
New weekend crusading guide the Obokrata no at the has said you know for afenyo mark and a high the new hand the nature say budget na hon somewhere e wo mo bebre daily guide the Obokrata no so e dey be aba and
okay. Any mami for daily graphic and sha see na ultimate say no more pentema printing to her pictures no correct me say enye ni so as you be fa this na asemo wo de aba ha ne say aban agi ne hudi say waye adwuma ye se nkyene nkamfo ne ho but wo se nkyene we die obeka se wo de wo ye salty na aban abɔ ne ho modern papa ne waye no emudo na mpanifo chem se da bia no ye sete target ya yentan ruhu but for the first time no yetimi akoyanim ya miss the mark ewo both revenue shortfalls any expenditure overruns no aban yetimi wadi ne lemu de onyaye no wani amoroso into this time around no ada adwa me the finance expert bi bahan was Ghana for yete se Ghana na msi ada no se aban no da bia wodi buru de onya so Ghana for nso da bia ye di buru de yenya so obi yetua ne ka 1000 baabo so me no nso no na wadi 3000 ye na da bia ye di tira de yenya aha enti sa na Ghana tie Ghana da bia ye di tira no so da bia nso wodi tira de wunya de a ene poverty eye wo partner ohia eye wo partner because bo so me so na wakatua ye 1000 na bosome no nso no wadi 2000 na wode ka 1000 da ho eti e kyerese da bia e ka edi wanim eti onchem se aban se modern ba wo boy no we di anko ne sa wagina ne mu die pa ahye ne ho so ama enema nyina etime aboa kama ho asem no edanti adwa to so me enkoy.
Okay, yemfa the Ghanaian Times the Obokrata no ento so na said ye di kan ne finance minister and nkomo no dodo no a na ewo enkrata ne mu was media budget no new buses roads energy gains to drive growth finance minister neka say echiru se buses yi wo mo edibia ba na bus na make say when we say binam kuru
okay na no mani boba ku bi so
sa
na e new me hu one
meso me hu one
wo hu one no ai me hu one mono pa
okay
aha na metro mass de wo hu ayalolo de na nanse metro
mass
metro mass no me hu one
am yet to say many be go
wo green color bi ka ha me de me hu no ma ase no ma ye ne green no mo de aha se nkrofo brand hu nso wan so kama and very to say very smooth pa but me hu one de and Abakay nso hu ba
ko okay it's almost just say no ba beboa na intra city dwumadie no nso atimi akonkan ti finance minister na eka was a big push no nso akwan ne de dodo no an wo mu atimi aye feeder roads wo mu urban roads wo mu highways wo mu ene ne kekeka ho community roads nkumankuma ededa mu nyina eno nso ho asem ena wode aba. Minority describes mid-year budget as uninspiring. Said the na ye kanodom kuma no wo se enu a ensemu finance minister beka nyina nkuranhye ba kokura anim enhye nkuran ketekete sei sansa de ombeka ye ni mu dada enti bibi foforo be no wo mode ya wo mode ba Ghana for entiye eno so ho asem ewa ha. Government scraps 20% excise duty on local fruit juice. Said the enra ye de emu enkomo eba ye no eno na no pay nkrata no so afa bi e de aba. Na we finance minister nkomo no e de free ho no makokrata fa eto so miensa na wo de aba se enra High Court etna era Abdul Wahab Hanan Aludi Banasam no so kane nafko papa no awomo tena so no application na lawyer for no de koye ne senka charges a ye de to ne ti so nyina no wo betwam nanso amane sa nemum womo entwa charges ni mu womo aye nsachraye e wo count ni bia na ye de ebo no te se count 9 ne count 14 no eno na womo kire se Dr. Justice Shremsai Deputy Attorney General womo nko na womo ye amendment kakra e wo sa charges ni mu eno so ho asem e wo kratafa etoso miensa na Tema Regional Police Command ne yese gang robbery bi akoso e wo Zenu ye frɛ baabi Zenu Obatan ho na robbery ne koso enra wo ye press briefing na DCOP Erica Samoa Asiedu a wo ye Tema Regional Police Commander wo de sansem no etu dwese ya bo kromfo ne bakutuo akunu na ya chi nipa dunan enso ewo robbery no a ekoso no emu enti eno so ho asem okọ kratafa etoso miensa ubehunu wo ho na wakenkan bi. Suspected narcotics drugs concealed in fertilizer sacks intercepted, 2 arrested, and also intelligence-led operation bi ekoso ewo Asawase market ewo Kumase na yeko chisa enuboni ya yahye ewo fertilizer sacks yi bi mu ene anyasem ketwa na yetwa ho mfonyini nipa mienu na ye kire wo mo no wo mu so mfonyini na wo mu ginagina enuboni no ho a yetwa wo mo na yede ababeto kratafa etoso miensa onsa so so bia wonsu ubetumi akenkan. GEPIC becomes Investment Promotion Authority. Enti Ghana Investment Promotion Center for na yapeja wo mu di brem se a wo mo nye center wo mo ye authority na eno no betumi aboa ama wo mu dwumadi ahodo a wo mu di no so wo matre wo makwaban mu. Amnesty renews calls for passage of anti-witchcraft bill. Na sa bill no that's what da hono ma yem pass you say yeda so ai bonkrofo bayie ni ade ye de mmara koto o memra se beje fie se yen di hu nkomo na yenji ntumuma ne meye mmara se obi ne ho ebetimi abo ne bayie na ye betiti obi ne ye bebu obi na edi obi mpabro ne ade ne tichuru pa ya ne etiti bi e wo mentifido mantama hodo no emu besi ene wo mo kire mu ese saa be ono da so da hono a yenye ho adwuma enti amnesty for se wo mo srada na se bedwafo no wo mo hwe no wo mo ntena so se de be ya wo betimi apase saa be na ma no aba be ye emra na wo hwe Daily Post mu nso a ewe ye the Ghanaian Times makam wasem Daily Post nso de bia ba Ghana Medical Trust Fund boost Tamale Teaching Hospital Niku with oxygen equipment wo mo koye aye toto niema hudu bi ebetimi aboa ama Nikufo woman sujumedi etimi akonkan. President Mahama pushes local production of medicines and vaccines across Africa and also ewo kratafa etoso miensa ne nkron. Ghana exceeded economic targets in first half of 2026 and now finance minister nkomono oko page 9 any page 3 na ewo Daily Post mu and also wofa bi ebaye and the Chronicle say yenkenkan Luke chapter 14 verse 28. Luke chapter 14 verse 28 na ansana no was say Ato's revenue target was deliberately understated. Yera kojo upon kroma na eka US $1 billion ready for Accra Kumasi Expressway Ato forcing enra non so ho asem eda hanum say na Luke 14:28 no say suppose one of you wants to build a tower, won't you first sit down and estimate the cost to see if you have enough money to complete it.
One of my favorite, my favorite, Luke 14.
Luke 14:28.
Why neighbor sit down and want to see Muhua Conta? And son, away. Now obey na fe bedroom fin or cement me. Luke 14:20. One of my favorite. It talks about planning.
Yeah.
And said the bear who ye be beer. Never says why do you say we go school or ye degree? When himself for the next 4 years. Oh, who bet you? But one more content, the bear will say, I've do second year. Me cry them my bread. But at least, who overview be, and I say, why a little research be about it and Kebeboa. Who call Warrior Cra, would you be some? Bema Cra was said, dear, while we when they say, Cass will be a husband. Dear, because you only say, for your frozen husband, no. Who responsibility exclusive due to be to your wife. What you say? But the be a ya mamre na chere say e jane anase okunu ne de oba akonhoma ene ne ohefie. But ye nim say who exclusive duty be abaya ama oyere no ane papa ntimi nye ne nua ba ma ntimi nye e ye wo nko na abaye. It is oba akonhoma wie na de sika to wie na say me ye kunu a wonye kunu. Yeah. We ye father but wonye husband. The same way you can be a mother and not be a wife too. Because also what exclusive duty be a ube play e wo ukunu life mu I won't say why neighbor sit down want to see mu ho akonta
nti we de ye hwede a na chese ayiya na ekwi 1.7 billion US dollars ready for Accra Kumasi Expressway afi ye behye project na se no na aka mfimfi enti wo kire mu se de aban pese wo ye bia no woman tenase no woman sese woman hu sade ya ye start ye betimi ye
na ye ntimi because near project o kai affordable housing adan ya akekam finfin no yenko na yetimi de just political design mame nkoye na nkofo hu se me ye bibi se mawie ne de awie ne hian yo ba ye se nya asase ne hian o awie ne asem
eno so na ebo man ne kai
ne ye drum finfin na aka se saglami na aka
agenda 111 na ebi adane ayi
na community schools yi kra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sad day school yo ebi kika nwura mu
na sa aka mi won ba won so mo say be see 80 new secondary schools enra de won
de aka nwura mu no
abatu aso
na yesu ban no
Mefa new weekend crusading guide over krata no in free media say na krata fe no etoso miensa me hu onenyo for Alexander Kwame na fenyo marken ya wo no oyedom kuma no ba no dani e wa hanom enra budget no nsensam no ene odi atudwa akire mu nse said ye wo mo edit udwa no kora no e kamia ye said ye ministers ni bi edi kan de betu udwa no esono eno ena sono de enra Dr. Kasa atoba force so de tu udwa efa ministers no se wo mo kora no wo mo fanse wosen ka ban ne de ma wo mo na wo mo etimidi hwa wo mo pesha hodo so no emma no eno no na kamia kwakoye sensonsone edem ye no nsam e wo hade adwodi kan ye efa eye nafco boss no ede no ho no na oka count 9 and 14 no the high court esa attorney general no esa won hwehwe sa two count nim na wo mo anya amendment kakra wo mo no wonu mu kyerem se defrauding by false pretense no eka ho ebi esa se wonu ma hwehwe mo ahu se elake efficient particulars bi ye no ehu behia ese empanifo besan so esi ne koso na wonom aye ho ayi kakra ede ama empanifo na owura bi ede George Esando we petition cyber security empanifo ewo mai mo se abrantie bi ewo social media ne so ani dia wode woso eye wicked blogger ana wicked blogger GH ana wicked blogger backup wase sa abrantie no we defame ne femfram ana afi na dwuma no kura no a eye sa businessman no owura George Esando oye no ebia beka dwuma no esa se ensem bia abrante ne ti social media no so na wokeka no egu na dwuma no egu ono aso ho fin enti no ototo sere eye cyber security empanimfo se wonom enhwehwe sa ensem nim na de emra eda no oman na emra wom womo enfanto femfram mame lawyer Adwoa Asare na lawyer for ene ebo amane wanu mu kiremu said ne papa ora kantanka emeritus kwadwo safo eda ne bonkum so no sika ne banankasa ede eye ne ho ntotoye 3.7 million Ghana cedis ye no so mu nsam eda eye krata yimu a wonya bi na okenkan na no peya bibia ebekoyiye Accra host Pan African Conference on Economic Restructuring, Political and Reforms and regional integration. We dear eba bekoso nyankopon adomu a July ya mo empanimfo chiremu se dwumade no ebe ehase ye no ye hwe no se delegate besa he no 200 na won ba be hia ama bibia akoso ewo afa ho no we new weekend crusading guide de obokrata no e de ode daily guidance so edi bi aba Dr. Kasel Atoba Fosen eno kra ne bag no ewa hanom no enra ya no mfimfini dia wode ko tuja koma bosika no wa chiremu se sika no a wo mo ana konta wonom abuo no ana budget no de koye no wo mo hwe ani mu ase de emrahye bedwa no be hia won ba gi atom no wo mo be di so pepepepe na mom o mo nkofa foforo bia emehye 2026 dia ya present a wonom agi atom no eno so krata fa to so miensa o daily guide de obo krata imu emunsam e wa hanom high court dia wa da attorney general efa eye buffer stock openini edie no nso ababa pepiem wa hanom wa ye hwese wonom ebesa amendment no minority jobs NDC over fiscal surplus eno so munsam krata fa to so nsia landa da afenoma keno da hanom ya eno so emunsam ede abai bawomia NPP Abawomia Ashanti NPP executives meet over Wuntumi. Na chese one bakwa kushia na the SCA enam so ma 20 years no. Ya diama ura MP Bernard Buasia kono MPP mpeni fo bakwa kushia na wanum so ehun botwa no e de kora e wura mu enum nsam e wo krata emo ye fiemu e won finfini ha. Cheme empanimfo na ebo amane said the sports minister no eno so echem no Rakofi Adams no da ha yi o we de bonuses pa for national teams eno na yetwa ho mfoni ne kre won bia beto krata fa to so edunom ewo de obo krata yim empanimfo dia wonom ede ba ye se na aposo bi na eja daily guide na afei new weekend crusading guide obo krata makanim ye no abomu a mede asomwe
Adwoa wo bi ewo ho a de beba na kene yema etiefo emremwe se ba ku bi na ho ha the National Population Council omse ompese omu increase sika investment ewo emabunu be ye opepepe dumienu na no ye emabunu a ye pese ye tete wo mo no munyansa no adwuma youth no sese wo mu gu oman ni mu na bebre nsu nya adwuma nye enti do ano mo doso enti esese yehwe na yetime bua we Angela Osei Kodua nyako nyano Angela Osei Kodua nyano acting executive director de National Population Council wono na de nsemitu nsentrofo nim se wo mo beye ne sa na etime aboa amane ma koye dom kuma so wo ma hyebedwom nsem mo de twia se aban na sam na wo kan ye se wo make economic gains no mo de wo mu se eye na ada enti wo mo gitumu a enye yie Ghana fo enti no wo mu butum ti wo munti wo mu butum nti ena amano abasa ene sasam no ewa ha enti media budget review no na papers na fa nyina nti ye ma ho kwan amatiefo abem lines ye di adwuma no eboso mai
ku wa hanum sei FDA fo obo amane hu hia pa nsuo ya ye no mu yi sachet water no wanu mu kiremu se companies ba miensa wo makɔhwehwɛ wo mu die mu hu se eniema na afa kwan pa wo so mo fa so no wo mo fa so nti yatum virgin mineral water wo mo ebo so e wo katai mu mamatan mineral water eno so wonom atum na data for filtered drinking water FDA for enebo amane nti nsuo wanu mu atum sanse eniema bi a wanu mu kiremu so mo kɔhwehwɛ mu no enhyada enkoye saa otumfo se tutu otikiri ni brawe ngoma so wo say black Maria now empanifo edi aban process me ko piemu asantematem a abo adwuma pa ye no so abo empanifo aba so efri ho anti me
yo medase di odi kan aba homa no so hello me ba cho mini aba ne mehia ni
me do
hey Mr. Nokrasa
yeah
Mr. Nokrasa mami tie wan pa ye nyame adom me ho ye pa na wonso e
ye de nyame bi so hwe ne aka onye o man pani dia ba ya boa me
yenkwai
yo na me mo abas na me ntia Chief of Staff, Dr. Moba for National Vice, and I just see a book of the National Organizer. Because you don't want to the Comoko communication, Joa Shaman, Kanyamikano. Obapa, Madisina, Equama, National NDC Executive. At the same time, this woman, say, let's throw up. The thing you know, I take it in Akosua for your chairman to move so Jarene. The best from so I'm reversing that decision. Because Akosua, we don't make any chairman to say Jaria. So many seats, every hour going to it's not so easy. Obey what you told the car, 12 billion, now what on 8 billion because of the politics. It's me, you need seats with. You're taking decisions our fast. We are move attention because of being person community. The best friend, national executive. I'm on some review. The Pomacho wa Abano Sobana, your water forces, so Abaso. I will let you up.
Medance, Mr. Nokransan, and Omeka was a higher Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, Ghana today, Jumedian was Sugusu, which you know, dear Edru Sui, Ghana speaks. Obiaba, hello.
Mr. Nkrata and Nkrata go ABC camp.
Okay, ABC Okasa free abed, Maminti.
Thank you. But 30 seconds, we did here too. And come out to Ashama Pato, Ashama for to maintain a given function. And now, this Adwa, I remember Collins. Our court to book constituency, deputy communication in the patrol to for the Slamu, the Munku today, one Papa Neguman Ogusuya and the patrol. And our deputy communications are going to apply also, of course, the patrol, Charlotte, Tamaway, Woman Ganda, Abdiello, Nasha, Woman Ganda, Patrona, Makitete, the patrol, Nasha, no, regional chairman, the patrona, question upon the patrol incoming national chairman, the patrol, member, the Nakwame, or Kankuno. Sister, Yamisha, no, you are Pamoye, and Eduma Pansa, young Papa John Draman Mahama, or the Asha Ato, forcing or forcing, I'm not a bit revived, and some Emma, Ghana. And she said, oh my God, yeah, by Miss Nyakano, Mungusuye, not Emma or Pino, and we say, Mopama or Man, the Mampase, Bottom, and a mother pet, and Mubusa for Debbie. And yes, and Papa now, I took us to the Bayano. Yet I was near Michelle. Now, first, the greatest Kako. I said, I'm just one to be a cell. Just for 20, your Bob was can go. Any Akufa, Bamapaya, on the discount now. Your penisa, to come for Tuma, because you 2 years now, a man, about why Tuma, no more Basso, Skibia, native training. Almost so, doctor, or be Pia, as some Chaka, Munchaka Mount. No, we say to my more yet. Yes, sir, go or a command or me, of course, or command on me. One moment comes here, and not go to it. I want to say, I pay or ground, not for trouble. Now, 2 boys with cars is going to go a whole man. I'm better, I let you, Mamma. It's yourself, I suppose I get me, Sano. We scan my
Medance, ABC Okasa free abed, so so do dear Abba. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Maybe I'm meaning a bad messiani. Hello.
Yeah, F1 you.
Mento Casani. Hello. Yes.
Collins ni.
Your Collins, Mamintio.
Yakupon Shirao. Now, Majo, I want to say the campaign manager.
Oh, honey, pa.
Mo. Catcher say, the whole constituency executive say, Omunkuni Nima said that on the Shemi Museum as deputy communication officer. I'm at the Tlamu figure case, so I'm at Delmasi. Miniaba, share a budget here, the finance minister. Eko Kinkai, a budgeter, a mudako, and the young people will be say a quack of the city near the Abesoya money. Young people will be say the tax be equal to the so. Name tax being Honoma, who do any Baumian woman and ye flew. It brings his head at the idea, Yenum, a ready game here. Yes, it's sweet as canals. Indigo a minimum, ye nephew, waiting by papa. Former President Akosua de Nebaunia boy couldn't finance minister, negotiation will be a info. A Bobusia, and Canny, we are Bussian to your debt, and 120 billion. Akosua de Nebaunia between 8 years, and on the course 777 billion. In the President Mahamani NDC, apart from in your masu koye, waiting by papa.
Medase Collins 0260-196064 and 0260-196065. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mipacho Mini Abed Meshiani.
Mipacho we could be a work passion.
Yo, coffee. Na Bibia Boko.
Yako for me.
Mate, Mamintio.
Yo. Medica, Chame Mammy. Mariam, our Ejuma Chisu, Roman school, Dino. Bibia will be a Michelle and pay. Me come and so. Budget near Kayan. Yes, I ban papa or that kind of budget the dead. But the Uko inside that you won't get 1 million. And so, yes, what that kind of budget papa in their mind. Echo 2 years need. I buy you by you, who ya made me say, will be about a buy no wage, my men's men to the you who ya all yet. A beard. I buy from me say 133. Formula 133. We be a good man of a boy eater. No be up no be a baby. Or be a matter, trace it. You who yet. Who promises stress free. Send Colani who university after first we will be going free. And also, I remember quiet stress, I'm on Colano. This is what pilgrim into stress free now promising Colano anyway. Who buy a walk with chat. $245 million. And a papa and Coco we are so much in Coco. I buy by our Bobby 60 billion Ghana cities. So, you Nima. Go never have 60 billion Ghana cities. Oh, in Duma, I've been there when you Coco, you who's in fast one. It's also buying about Bobby. Or South Bobby $300 million.
Medas Sawodo Adventure about 0260-196064 and 0260-196065. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today and Uti no Ghana speaks Breno. Hello.
Live from Cantonment Market, Accra, Ghana.
Mehoye pa.
Papa, anyway, Papa. Me Pacho, upon that, Abram Post, and then Yam Pucheri, and then Adwoa Asare, and then continue ban. But only away.
Yenina, Yahoye.
The radio at the one come down, started. Greater Accra woman organizer. Obana when you are pushing. I'm going to hear about dog number 1. What they can delete now. I mean, what many people see your face of power they are. Greater Accra woman organizer, only a copy with on one airport. Obi Plaka to be a boy and go to that on one airport. Oh, we have the offer. What is that? I told you, what is it? And I'm going to be first vice chairman on one group for Aboagye and great I just look at national president and I got the Abakay Adwoa communication director. But man, I want someone to say 24-hour economy. Yeah, they are simple number. And this is why you did them yet, Papa, Mom, and nobody did them by out here. Someone will be packed with that. You know, one can live more politics and get one having that. Both empty to him, this, you know, for something straight. 24-hour economy. One can want them all. Women bank, one can want them.
Medase, a women bank, they will come once some. Orubon, Medase, Memfani, about 0260-196064 and 0260-196065. Hello.
Sompa hima.
Nyamia do be pa.
Nyani. The number one to you now. Antonio Banza me to my menfre.
Yeah, that's
it. You do it, you have a chamber.
And never, Yanko.
Medasi. Shana call mommy MC, honorable little mark, honorable MC, Abu, and Mr. Osman, they do work upon the chitom. Menkan chair, dedicate them ready to what? Umayanka Emol blessings, I must say, and not a greater regional secretary. And no to that home, and I could do down coffee. Deputy National Communications, Abakay Adwoa
of a national women's organizer. In the Bonachidom, follow who no road on Abuashima, still maintain greater chairman. Yaba, the credit says, who do want dance here, the Kogium, the Hunyama, the Yentosa, and so toy every cheaper in Naswa, and can tell to say near you. Yet, no man Ghana, Yamamuya, Diama, Constable, to do a big ministry, Ghana from better Uncle Siaga. You put the difference, and just look at Mekai. In 2024, inflation is 22 point something. Okota dia na ujina ho na mame na afoti ya tum. Ene ye hu sa nya. Ye nkasi ye tum ye mebu. Da ene eye fi ngra. Amamo fo ye tna ho 8 years. It has been so mita so ho. Nyankopɔ be ye odifo bi amai. Ene odifo na ba. Ene obi nkan de gina and reduce budget in chain ko sha tare fufu. We are no agenda ko tan abrochi so.
Yeah, that's it. We yeah. Eben and no 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye tie nsemo a Akosua Ghana ye jiwa dwenkyere hello
Abahima Akosua Aboagye and the top be encounter town for good
ana mo akon ye je oso
na pay me fan chat na international chama you are honorable watching maybe on the channel smooth and a B on the Brasso income defense life and a case income national organizer. I mean, chatting and the back of Managada, the man the deputy of the deputy women organizer, no, the people of the national organizer, and a man, if I have a and tested for boy. I am a paper that I can say. The only year of a couple of after the phone, the issue of the power. What cut the picture of mine to the outcome of you and can prepare what doesn't read you. No, I can't say, and next for you, jump couple of 50 months, you say you jump cut. I can't for you, jump cut 50 months, without ever jump cut. And now, in those who walk in, and next, in Akosua, in those, I have to all. I have to talk to you. I have to also took something for you because it's making a fish up that I know what. In the end, the open up now, what do we have? I didn't tell you. I don't want to say you sing it. I don't know who you are. I don't think it's a good thing.
Me da se we and now more no 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Again morning.
Hey, ajani mo wafanko baria yenkwai.
Ano pa me chamo.
Ya Josefa.
Dani ajuma pa mo yebo my Ghana.
Yeah, that's it.
You been calling terms so na me chia deputy general secretary or no me say you maintain we so bad for first vice chairman and then a key also back for national organizer we had him and only Akosua also back for greater Accra woman organizer mami one more thing then I had Jeruka also about treasure who your bar support about when you're from Anwadi the member is coming here let me check this Lord and so and Musha and all the poor. I'm here the power and the free. And then I don't need it. And Papa Paso, I'm to Papa so. And now don't go to our Mutri. Umudia Grand and go conquer and get it. And go conquer and get it. And I go conquer and get it. Yes, somebody say. Can I drop a phone to attach to Ashimota? Ashimota to Fancoberia. Here, chicken. But I can't say Grant. What can I say? And you are more with your money. 2020 yeah power bye bye
yeah dance we yeah ageni mo ena wono so de ne de abano hello
good morning Sompa ma
me dance aboso kaini
une mi ankasa bright ni ha ibutu aboso kan
bright my
na me ensha na mo pa mo kan because I don't know in the Afrima, I'm not working with Nyamia Doma, of original secretary, Mr. Monkan and that's not honorable achievement. Still maintain as original chairman. Now, Akosua Aboagye come from my region. That's now Michelle Apollo. I also call for deputy communication officer. I will trouble Mr. the song. Then kind of trouble. That's now Aboagye. You have to go out for 2 councils. Tiana and Nano Favor. So far, no, Papa Abba. The Asampa, Usha Asampa budget, media budget, and buy one. Usha Asampa found in a womb. And Yadia, a bandway, a finance minister, honorable at 240, and Kobobusia, from the 2 KK party, and Wachi party. He said, the finance minister be by a can of react. I and net, we can free of my Ghana. Now, Manonia, now, want to member of my Ghana mobile. Budget here, the buy no one room. MPP for
let us say bright dear the buy and 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Good morning.
Good morning. Mini abema ben meshiani.
Midiana na kwa me pleki ni boyta ano pa nyame asumdin kana jumadia moye bo mano.
Yeah, that's na kwa.
Ya ma metaliza wini obi ametia na oba na oba kan kri no fo obojuma. Ewu akantanka ibia kwanya ka kri no oko secretary na me aso ye bia kwanya ka kri no meko executive member. Yebra justice yebo no so the national deputy organizer yema me edigele lo mo so ba organizer amake was zebra na finance minister yabo na ba na juma pa wo yebo a ya tire ne se onko so nya ne sa no onko so ntire ma ku juma no mu de on ma sika ne nko ho mo e na road sector ne so ma sika ne nko ho mo e ko ho a e ko ani bia ma juma fo ti mi ko bantem e na great sector ne so boa e na ma tire se sugar factory na nka ye no omma na ninko ho na nka ntempa ya omutimenye nka sugar de we o ma we sugar na de no ye ntimenye na manfo tunya dwuma na eba boa ma o ma ne punche de akọ ebie na mmiri bia na ebe kwakra na ma fra ma na me wo sugar na mo ye krefra mo no ne ene wu nto tini ne ma ye kra mi ye so ta se ye de sika shem na bibie ko yi a bibia ba boa ma ne ma ti ba ko yi to ata se wo sa be yi a ene ma cost you ya dollar yi je ene fuel nkrofo na ata ka mo ama fuel bo ata ko yi ni mo checho yi ata te ya juma na no so ba bo aye ama papa ba ma ne ma ko yi ni ya sira se mo nko so nya ne sa
me dansi bebre 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Me mami Akosua Aboagye.
Bemena
Obatampa ohoya de.
Nyame adome hoye pa na onso e.
Yankopon adaroma. Na ya okasa fitabura.
Na ya mehu tabura yenko.
Mami mo abaso Ali Mega Oba for National Youth Organizer. FM Ponkudia na bi Yera Mosi Sabo. Ene Adwenkese Board incoming chairman. Echia Mpanifu na no pay. Mami ADC aban any Mahama, Omudi Agro Mamuha. Anya Budio, Adodanko Kufu at the time. No Shedan and Colin, and they could do believe that Omoko Bobby Sandy had a secret education. Nanado Danko Kufu had no different education nearby, one Bobby Sino on the Omanity Kana, Kakraka, and Nada, a free education. And then mobile Kutuku Pokruanche, Moko West Bank, Aquacotis, Kudu, at the Abbasi Freddy. You are Muhammad in Nadania Trop and a Bedia Kuyan, also Mamma, the Kutuku Pokruanche. And no Muji by Repakwa, 35 CD, and 240 in Parliament, Sagana for Wato. Man, notice you on Wato. Open our board of City. Apart from that, we have a could be a docu 10 cities. As when no NDC for FTE. Yeah, water. Apart from who? Man, open up for the cruise.
Just hot cake.
Yeah. Maybe you say,
just hot cake. Wouldn't say media. I'm in India. Trabora. Mammy, I bound we Eddie Kushini Afro, and I made you of mine every year, and then your mom wired, and that's almost a gun up on phone. That's an hour time, Nasso 026. Be funny, put them nothing, maybe 0260 1960649 0260 1960665. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. What for Chiniana?
Just one day.
Oh, just one day. Okay. Just one day. Mami say one pay. Nyami adomi hoye pa.
Oh, maybe I may chop with you, but you I think that from the person make a crowd or any budget, no, yeah, intending for ministers, no, almost reduce budget needs very clear. The best way, the Sompa FM, a war FM, Papa, a Sutino. Yeah, now you move you on Honoma, the move to a train, you it's the best say, and every step a beer or boot is education. Omobra no be tia wo Sompa, no mun cheche mu o ye kasa ye best let me be a ordinary Ghanaian na market woman na obi o ye na ya nejuma o beti ati ye. Enti ati ye, but ye bo na ye ya allocate it e do on ma ye enti ati. Na omo de ta no ma bibi ni so, no ma pe o juma no mo ye ma ye, na because ye enti ati. It's the best friend in 24 no. Every step the piano, almost education, finance, or the way of a powerful, because the kind last time, last budget, I can't want them, I can't wait. Almost wine taxes. The up to now, the whole day, Juma was no wine taxes changing. The whole day, Juma was. Because then dynamic say cover road the better can.
My dance just one day with time no aso me fa nipa at 9 026019 6064 0260196065.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Me pa chomi nua be na mehiani.
Mba cho ni nwani.
Mami ntie wa no pe.
Me da si Sompa na me sure pa ni ma pa o yo po ma Ghana. Da si pa ma. Me kan be se me kan se me chia honorable Open Fusu Oba chairman for NDC. This of young to Abanoman at the same time, so Chamajo was chairman, no size or boy to Mapa Yamishano. That's why it's only Jemu. One said, on my way, Yama on my way, Kapa, and that's on my way up fire, MC War, a Jimmy. I said, I'm going to a baby area, so we do be uncle to take dishes. Which is a fun way, Jimmy. MC, dear, what make you a man with you? What call? Yama auditing, and call Yanuma or your name. Chapana, Yanko, Yan Koje. I said, all the way up 20 years on my mind, or my to your phone. At the same time, shall you send it before away? Radio Israel. No, Mute. Yama, why do? Accommodate. Unya to my comedy, and said Yam to Mama or ye to my papa. I'm some support to my mama, and yet on the top position.
That's 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho mini aba na mehiani.
Nana Kwame.
Nana, mami ntie wa no pe.
Na mission mo juma pa moye.
Ya dase.
Na yeda atofose ase. Ewo ejuma pa okoyo parliament. Ya mission papa we che say aban papa apa. E che say Ghana man munya go tre emma president any na aban. If a man 4 years mandate. O say one time ko bobi se o. E na nse so anko prescribe anka ho. So ati e che say ti a wa hihye enyema no ebe ko yie eti moment twen munya go tre emma o man na we e ya no je e ko mu ko aka bi ejiregu. But I am here. 2028 about power.
Mate medase. Hello.
Hello.
Maybe I told you Ben Meshiani.
Mr. Asare, you.
Yo, Mr. Asare, Mammy, one of Sompa.
You had a Yamia Sepa, Odie, said the Utu Nipa no. Young host nipa be miensa ewo oman we mu aka ye ho be for
Medas.
but the way out me advice ye me ya bra bot ni ko ye no we are there pa ya mi shiro pa
Amen.
na
Medas.
mpacho kakra me ka efa oman we mu no oman we I say the oman no e di agro ye the oman ni eto chacha wo hwe oman we say the oman we etipa ye panifo no e di oman no to chacha na na in fact na yura ko amoma ni pa na me bon pa say you would have the better but bien pa dia so o man Ghana pa dia mente ha mpacho o hwe MP fo say obi ete adwuma na se wonya say MP a no bia boni sem o we di wonya adwuma pa obi ye teacher ni a ene de enka sanchire no ni why no so no adwuma na ono ko MP wonya na se Bank of Ghana wonya no the same certificate no na ebanisan ena we adwuma pa we adwuma boni. That means we has to be wa enu ti na ma o man ti ko so no e je ka panifo ni nyina wo ye MP kurampa e so oduma eye efesen to match the Pentecost eti no a wo ye da yin ti oka
Me dance bebre memfa nipa mienu na mawie.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Obapa.
Na mi pa cho from Sisen.
Nyame adom na wonso e.
So, me chia woni wa beja fo ni Ghana fo ni na.
Ye da se. Mami ti o.
Twa. Da. Da bi mami ehu ye awe ho e kam no. Twa, e bi so kam me wo Ghana papa. Aden, sister. Eti do mai mo ya market, ko market. Always say we koto. Be ba kwa de nuti. Banki ba kwa de nuti ya. Ene ko nkika tensi bisa wonto enya banki kitwe bi o. Ese banki ya bo ani fi 20 Ghana e dey ko. Tensi bisa ne se wo paso. Yes Ghana e lo ma nyina ya fu. E dey pa na ya fu Ghana. Emo enye wo di mo kwa. Emo a me pa cho wo eja to ko fi o di no sa mo no me pa cho won che me de bia ye ton na ye fu na e o mai na te to bia ba na o ye nya wo pe me pa cho wo nwa budget na o kan ye na enkukonwo budget pa enkukonwo budget enkukon kete ni wo budget ena me si mo ba ye ye bi nkan mo ti dida eni nawa enkonto mutu koye
Me dance me fa de o twa to okra. Hello.
Nyame asoge enka wano.
Enka wonso.
The patromedy is spin of the area we watch them alabano.
Mate Queen, una o twa to mami ti o.
Say I not pay money of the case in the mamencha bless emos data regional organizer. Takunya no be dawa o ba secretary. Na masha George da Virginia where you are mineral commission we can not pay. Mineral ba enwa ye ni gida ke mami e wo kana ha. E mami wo me name jisa da. Ya nya finance minister papa abemu just 1 year 7 months ne omo akobo busie answer other countries just Ghana hasika and omudi bu homano we ne finance minister papa yanya the bo honorable Akosua Sabaso papa and no budget already no o Ghana for na nyati de many gidem na wa ne say omo afa tax dia be bu ye komo nyame enchira no chira o mampeni o chira Ghana apprentice ni na eni juma dia o ye bo o man Ghana minya obia ni mo Ghana ha say bachi eni tomatoes ni adwani nkuma e wo chidia edipa e wo chidia ediko eba eyefu eba no boy din enti onu fa amemo bo ina ye wo Ghana ha sa nyama bebre wo bucket wo kwa ni bo wo fo ebi no bo wo so onu obia ni mo Ghana ha but we have good leader wa pa ye one he high Ghana for one he high any president mama
yeah that's the queen of the airwaves so the odi by na yemfa sedama endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboatin se me bon asonte sebra na yemfa homeopathy enuro no so na yemfa nsa wo yare sa alternative medicine no enti brana stroke no sa wo de hye bi a wabubu ogu ho afa ne bra yede ne beto bed so ama doctors ne nurses agina ne ho aye ne physiotherapy ne massage nche se enche wuti hu ane se stroke no na etuko na ne ho ato ne fa ba bi na adwodwo a obegina na so awo mu hawo chese yede ya wo atwa mpo ama se kura wo bo life kura why a shadow of your old self obi wa wose yan yese menwo ye nti utiri wo nyina etutu bra ne ma bi ngo na watamfo nyamemfa watamfo nhya wona ase won so prostrate in men prostrate enlargement the mema na momra premature ejaculation wo be ma wo awonim bra ne ma instant man ewo endpoint homeopathic clinic say woni wo yire ni tu kwan ya to be honest wo awudi adanse se mo ana mo kan se enka mo kokuma sinsa wo mo hayi na agina ye ene oba na kan finfi se wonye dai wo waduru wono nurui we a drama sa premature is ejaculate a drama etibra endpoint homeopathic clinic nerve disease low sperm count kura de sa we be man ye catch us we low sperm counter mensuro bra ensukura ye be man ye high sperm count afa de wo de boss oba no kura be pa o chelse be men ne de mabre awo bebrebe bra e man ne mema nyina mo ho betomo eye endpoint ema wabi ne die wo kumase a wo mo wo kronoma boahia wo nkran hanso a wo spinters kwan so ye fra ba bi shell signboard ebi wo tema community 22 nso ma bi wo ba ko wo frɛ ne nkyerɛw ba bia wo no ba bia ben wo fi sɛ wo mo nkrobata ne bi okofori dia mea bebre eye 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 027423 4321 027 4321 endpoint homeopathic clinic wayare safie enono Abakay Adwoa so mo na Abakay wo birthday bi emfa so na Sompa rob so the phone to so yebre na so
Hajia special local foods bo ra hono mano pay na koko didi wo ho sa bre ya no nwotwe aboidie na Hajia wa setting niema ne dada enti said ye wo ka no eho de bibia ye kama honidie wo soro enti enya de akwakofa typhoid bi ana cholera bi akofie eye Hajia special local foods aduane bi a yato din bankuni tilapia kokonte emutuo bi bia bi fufu Hajia woye bi ewo natena ye hacho atomeke kwan no so do transition funeral home wo de bi se obi asa wo call Hajia special won be direct 229 kura enu 10 steps na wadru Hajia special woye delivering so se bia wo fie ana odofu bi wo adwuma mu na opese wo order lunch be the man now surprising and put a smile on her face and I say his face na intimi enko nkan eye Hajia special local for 0246 359921 0246 359921 and 0594 797215 na wodem uwia no wapekasa natural mineral water ni bi na wanum agusu no wagegew na chese ne nyina akonkan eye nsuo kroje na no ya FDA fo kototo mineral water fo ya wo mo eye yenume wote kasa din wom da bi sanse wo madwuma na wo mo ye no ehote se ye bi na ekoso weekend parties birthdays yo ne ne keka ho nyina no nsuo a ye de eson wase eye kasa natural mineral water Kasaloma Ventures for na kofade aba enkran Taifa back hospital nechi ho ho na wo hwehwe wo ma wo behunu wo mu bia na ba bia wo no wo be pese ye di nsuo ni bi begu ehyen mu na ya ba be deliver e dia mawa eno so ye be ne kama wo de wo be frɛ 0206 469430 0206 469430 and 0303 965780 0303 965780 we are not what fresh Sompa your client service line no na ye no edi nkomo bibi kuma bi na yembo wo dawro no emfa ma wo efa wo business no obi wo ha ye very good pa ne services no amazing wo de wade ye koma na wo beye ne kama ne ba bia wo hye no saa tokuro mu ho no mu say location very important pa enti fa wo business ne bra na yenton enfama companies ya ma launch products modi new items abedwama so obi anya hunu ye mo famra na yen commercialize enfama mo number ne 0531 886216 0531 886216 ofren ya ye beje oso ne achechew aniemani so ama bibia so etimi akonkan
Ene ebusia ya sorry sweetie me fa happy birthday shronko en confirma Auntie B. Auntie B dodo na afre no Madam Beatrice CEO edema BT Fashion ewo Obuasi Tutuka taxi station ho. Auntie B enye de no ato Facebook no so na ye wa woda Auntie B nyankopon hwa wate na wanyo kese wani swade hunu nyina no yesre twedi amponto turobonso kwa me basa yadom ne so be mana ayekese na wafri adomu akwa adomu wei afi wo sister obenewa eno obenewa adwen kese ya oye news anchor e was Spark FM e wodun kwa no fe no se yemfa fidi kese so enwe show well oso wodo nyame enyo kese Auntie B
yo ene na yebetina so na ye de Ghana Today dwumadie no abawie sister dwa wo bi a o chia na na se Facebook page no bibi wo ho a na yemfa sorry so ye na yetiefo asekura
na kwakoye Friday
okay ene efiada
ense uko weekendi na watoto ni emeyi na waya hweyi se de be ya wo ho emmasem se ne de ewiase na ayihu nipa bonefo nso adoso enti bebia woni na mbia no na wahwe yenko Facebook ne so na yenkekan kakra Angel Peter was say Ocean live every order was say Akosua you are doing a great job, God should give you all your wishes,
amen.
Inti yeda say pass obo enso Abranti ube studio ko mensa pillar 2 enso the net yaba was say ato force and budget easy to say but difficult to do as ankwa 2028 no was say yento aba enfama NPP said the beya won betimi aba be your mine eji ono so de no Priscilla or say good morning no me shemo live every osu yenso yeda say teacher constitution debi we teacher kujo tepanyina suso and wode aba also to forcing your statement may convince those who are unfamiliar with what an economy on its knees actually looks like. Was your economy need the mine basa kuku farmers no muntia wo moka chechefo anyone mokeke kan hunyina muntia wo moka said e be betimi abo free SHS program no so for 8 consecutive years no was say enya de mutimi a sustain no teacher kujudi a wode aba Priscilla so they was a fantastic Auntie Akosua, please how was your night? You wajo so what that was enchia and confirm piaga and so the need about so was showing live a free achim asafona program no ekoye pa yeda CP enti Facebook messages kakra ebaye eno
yo Abakay what's me chat to my eco weekend ne ifia day safoka ntanka si fiada yentufu ba yetufu timaka che ne se yentufu dia me tufu fiada timane me hwehwe mi
that's okay no wate
ase
say Auntie Akoye ko weekend see de obi ahwe ne ho yie na omo ne ho ban na o hye nyankopon adom na eni nanim kan na wotwe wiye
yedase atie for hana ye day Ghana Today ni sie Ghana Today ni Ghana Speaks
one say na me kind Sarah DC emre be kwere ya
Ready as the endpoint homeopathy clinic, Ajia special local food, Casa natural mineral water. Omune boy chido ma ye de buy. Yes, sorry, soon the Sompa Rhapsody Jumediano etwaso.
We have no super bread on bejo. My time on the end. Tenibaya yebenya was trying mind. Onya me dinne me bi yin yes we dinne me bi yin Onya me dinne me bi yin yes we dinne me bi yin
me sorry so na Professor Joseph Osafo Adwoa Babetna say na what the Sompa Rhapsody Jumedi na Babetwa so ye frame de nyame ehra no betimi aframe Akosua